So the fish that I'm using today is called hamor. It's very much like a cod. Now you can use cod, you could use swordfish, kingfish, any kind of steaky fish, tuna steak, something like that, anything kind of steaky, you know, like robust. What we're going to do is we're going to get this into some olive oil and lemon, some lovely spices, and then we're going to fry it off and give it a little char. It's beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the fish that I'm using today is called hamor. Hamor is very much like a cod. So it's a group of fish. It's quite a big fish. You can get, really huge ones. Okay, so you can see that I've got 2 steaks here, a bit of cheek and the head. The head's been cut down the middle. You can use any part that you like. Skin is on, it's been cleaned. I've got half a cup of lemon, half a cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and then I've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, and cumin powder. We're gonna get that in a bowl, give it a little mix. So a mixing bowl there. Salt and pepper, turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. Half a cup olive oil, half a cup lemon or lime juice, and then 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. We're going to give this a little mix, and then you want to leave it for at least 1 hour. If you could leave it for 4 or 5 hours, it would be fantastic. Now, you've seen the spices that I've used. You could think about other stuff like some black lemon powder, a little bit of thyme, some coriander in there, some green cardamom, cloves, things like that. You can play around with it a little bit. I'm keeping it quite simple today. Okay, see you in a little bit. Get that, a little bit of shrink wrap on that, or plastic wrap, cling film. Get that in the fridge as long as you can, minimum hour. So very simply, we're going to fry this off. So I've got my pan here. I've got a little bit more olive oil in there just because it doesn't stick when it goes in, you know. So we're going to take our lovely fish, get it in there. Now we're on an above medium heat, and you can see these are quite chunky. And all of that goes in now, the whole lot goes in. So I'm going to turn this over 2 or 3 times. It's going to take about 8 or 9 minutes on this above medium heat. I'll see you then. That looks absolutely fabulous. Off goes the heat. Now, as it cooked, the lemon juice evaporated, so we're left with just the oil and the spices. I've got a nice little char in on there, which is exactly what I want. That's beautiful. Let's get that on a plate. So really, really simply cooked fish. I'm using hamor. You could use cod. You could maybe use tuna steaks. You could use swordfish steaks, up to you. Nice kind of lemon, oil, spices, and a nice little char in the pan. I'm serving that with some white rice, sliced limes, and some tomato. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.